move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pensacola local and long-distance movers near me. Finding a long-distance mover in Pensacola, FL is a key task on the to-do list when planning a move across the state, the country, or the world. If you are involved in one of these, you need the best help for your project, and 3 men in a truck is the right mover for you. Long-distance Pensacola movers, working in more than one state, must register with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. 3 Movers is proud of our record and our reputation in the industry. We work hard to make our customers happy and provide a stress-free moving experience. For a local move in Pensacola, hiring a Pensacola local mover who knows the area and has plenty of professional experience is a good idea. 3 Movers can handle all of your local relocation projects, including small moves, big jobs, home, and business needs. We have local crews and references from people who have been satisfied customers. Our moving company in Pensacola, FL will send a representative to your home or business to assess the scope of work, then give you an estimate of the price. We will explain all the services you may be interested in and answer any questions. From packing and moving to storage services, we provide it to our customers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pensacola moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.